बहुत नखरे हैं तेरे। बेटा स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया अभी, रो देगा तू। आई डिडंट लाइक व्हाट प्यार का पंचनामा वाज, बिकॉज जब मैंने पढ़ी मैंने कहा ऐसी कोई लड़की नहीं होती सर। ये आप ज्यादा कर रहे हो। अगर आप मुझे बोलो कि इधर पीछे इस पर्दे के पीछे वॉक लेके आओ, मैं नहीं जाऊँ।
So in life if there's a भूत coming, you're not the person जो जाके देखेगा क्या है।
बेटा सो जा, कंबल ओढ़, गाने लगा और सो जा। अगर कोई है भी तो उसको छोड़ दे। वहाँ इन माय एंटायर करियर मैंने कभी ऐसे नहीं सोचा है कि यार इससे मेरा क्या होगा। There was a shot where I fall on the well and I'm unconscious and I go धीरे I sink down.
Things that people blame choris for, but men do more.
चल, we don't believe you. नहीं, मतलब अगर मेरा मतलब ही तुमको मानना नहीं है, okay then.
Hello and welcome. My name is Tanya and I have Nusrat Arucha with me. Welcome Nusrat to Z.
Thank you for having me.
So Chori 2 is coming.
Yes.
Tell me about this second part that's coming out and how does it feel to have your own little franchise? Not so little actually.
Yeah. No, it feels it's very overwhelming, but it's also very fulfilling. It's also very heartwarming actually.
Yeah.
Because it's not possible to own a franchise where you're not loved or wanted by audiences. इसलिए part 2 बनता है, वरना part 1 तक खत्म हो जाता है. So I'm just very happy that the audience's love has kind of made it possible for me to have an own part 2 of a film, which is very, very heartwarming. But Chori 2 is from the same kind of world of Chori 1. It's very organically उसी दुनिया की, उसी similar सी मुद्दे की वैसी ही एक फाइट है, अगेन सेट थ्रू हॉरर, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट्स काइंड ऑफ टेकन इट अ नॉच हायर. वी हैव सोहा अली खान नाउ, but more than having her, it's what she's playing in the film that's what's added, which is Dasima, which when you see the film you'll know that इतना बढ़िया layer है वो जो add किया गया है, बहुत ही बढ़िया है. And the world has become bigger. There are more people attached to it. The evil has got darker and stronger in numbers. Means it's got strength of a lot of people. पहले वो 3 लोग थे, husband, wife और बेटा. अब ये थोड़ा एक पूरा कुदबा मिल गया है. तो it's become a larger, kind of barrier or wall or इमारत to break down.
There's also a new addition which is Hardika in the film.
Yes, my
and
daughter.
I heard कि उनका एक दांत टूट गया था शूटिंग के दौरान.
उसके शूटिंग के दौरान एक ऐसे दांत गिरते गए. तो हमने कहा बेटा कैसे करेंगे शूट, अब वापस ग्रो करो, जल्दी ग्रो करो, उस दांत को खींच के निकाल के लाओ. So this was our fun and games on set, but she's too cute. She's too cute. And what an actor.
Are you like, what are you doing for, like, of course Hardika is a kid, right? तो उसके साथ shoot करना on such a dark topic, horror, was it easy or like was she scared? Were you taking any precautions?
Listen, more than me, it was Vishal sir. It was Vishal sir's baby. She was Vishal sir's baby on set, literally, where he, I think, normalized the situation for her. He made her sit with Soha while Soha was getting all the prosthetics done, getting all that put. So she knows कि इस चेहरे के पीछे तो ये आंटी है. I know her. ये तो normal सी है, ये थोड़ी ना कुछ डरावना है. So she gets normalized with the fact कि अच्छा हम we are acting it. It's a film. It's not ऐसा कुछ real में अभी है नहीं उसके आजू बाजू. And she was the most chill on set. मतलब एक होता है ना, एक बच्चे को एक बेफिक्रापन होता है, तो वो तो पूरे सेट पे कूद के खुश रह रही थी और अपनी मस्ती कर रही थी. But it's very nice to have a child on set. She just brings a different energy only. Means हम सब इतने थके हारे होते हैं और हार्दिका आती तो हम बैठ के सब उसके दांत की बातें ही फिर उसके इसमें क्या हुआ, दिन में क्या हुआ, मम्मी ने क्या बोला, घर पे क्या हुआ, वो सब बातें करते करते हमारा दिन कट जाता था.
Are you into watching horror films?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay.
I've been a horror fan. एक होता है ना चीप थ्रिल होता है लाइफ में कि डर भी लगता है बट वही चाहिए वाला वाइब. तो मेरा वही था कि वैसे मैं कुछ ना करूँ. अगर आप मुझे बोलो कि इधर पीछे इस पर्दे के पीछे वॉक लेके आओ, मैं नहीं जाऊँ. नो मैं घर जा रही हूँ. बट अगर आप बोलो कोई इसको डॉक्यूमेंट करके आपको दिखाएगा, मैंने कहा देखना है मुझे कि
है क्या. in life if there's a भूत coming, you're not the person जो जाके देखेगा क्या है.
No.
You will just be there.
यूरो स्टैंडर्ड वो फिल्म्स में नहीं होती कि लड़की रात को उठ के यहाँ जा रही है, लड़का रात को उठ के यहाँ वहाँ जा रहा है, आपको पता है कुछ होने वाला है. I would never get up. मैं कहा बेटा सो जा, कंबल ओढ़, गाने लगा और सो जा. अगर कोई है भी तो उसको छोड़ दे वहाँ. Don't actually go there, because if
Yeah.
you go there, then we will go there as audiences,
Yeah.
and then when I will see the booth. So तू
Yeah.
भी आँख बंद कर ले और हमें भी आँख बंद कर ले.
Yeah. In fact, speaking of Ankh, that black eyes
Yeah.
are the most scariest
Yeah,
thing in a
yeah.
horror movie.
And that also for children, oh ma. I can't deal with it. Children are the creepiest in horror films.
Yeah.
My God.
Yeah. What are
Very
you
creepy.
most scared of in like a horror film setup, and maybe in life as Nusrat?
For me, that Chucky doll.
Yeah.
God, I really threw away all the dolls from my house. I said, please, pheko, koi doll nahi chahiye. I don't want it. The idea that it'll come to life and then attack you. Huh? No, no. Sorry, guys. Not happening. It's very scary.
Yeah. What is one like horror movie that you remember watching in your childhood as like a cult for you?
Raat. Revati ma'am's. मतलब मैं सच में if I drive anywhere and if I pass a tree that even remotely looks like that, मैं पहले ही पैरी पाना कर देती हूँ. मेरे पीछे कोई नहीं आना, please. I just want to go home. So yeah, Raat was very scary. Those visuals of how she was possessed, and then how, I mean, it was really.
Yeah,
I
for
remember that
me,
one
yeah.
shot where एक ball भी roll होके कुछ आता है, कुछ ऐसा
Yeah.
कुछ. Oh,
That
wow.
isn't that Vastu Shastra?
No, there was some ball rolling.
Okay.
उसका छोटा भाई भी है ना रेवती का पिक्चर में.
Yeah.
तो भाई कुछ ढूंढने जा रहा है और वो कुछ ऐसे आता है, भाई नहीं आता वापस, ऐसा कुछ है. Don't ask me. I don't want to go there.
For me, it's Krishna Cottage. मुझे वो movie देख
A lot of people have said this.
It's the most scariest movie I think for me.
चलो good.
But after watching Chori 2 का trailer, a lot of people were like, यार ये picture तो theaters में आनी चाहिए थी.
I know.
So what is your when you hear that, what do you think?
I'm very happy because at least I'm part of a film where people want to experience it on a bigger screen and want to watch it as a community.
Yeah.
कि वो लोगों के साथ बैठे देखे, वो हॉल में, वो साउंड के साथ, वो फील के साथ.
Yeah.
मुझे थिएटर्स बहुत पसंद है. Of course, it's my first love is theaters. तो I'm very glad कि at least इसके लिए वो रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है कि बड़े पर्दे पे होता तो हम सब जाते देखने.
Yeah, I heard in an interview of yours that you said कि प्यार का पंचनामा you didn't want to do a commercial film. You didn't want to do like a no?
No, not commercial. I didn't like what प्यार का पंचनामा was.
Yeah.
Because जब मैंने पढ़ी मैंने कहा ऐसी कोई लड़की नहीं होती सर. ये आप ज़्यादा कर रहे हो. इतना भी नहीं चल सकता.
Yeah.
तो मुझे पसंद ही नहीं आया था what was on paper then.
Yeah.
And so I said no to it first. And then they said नहीं आप ही चाहिए. I don't know why they thought मैं वैसी हूँ जबकि मैं वैसी नहीं हूँ guys. But उनको वही चाहिए था. So they really like the whole team, producer, director, DOP, associates, they all were like आप ही करो, आप ही करो, आप ही करो. तो वो actually फिर मैंने थोड़ा प्रेशर में फोर्स करके उन्होंने मुझसे हाँ करवा दी. मैंने कहा ठीक है फाइन कर लो.
But do you think of it as like the difference between commercial या फिर ये वाली पिक्चर मैसेज देगी, आप ऐसे देखते हो पिक्चर?
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
And like, do you want to do movies that give a message, or do you want to do movies that are commercial?
No,
what are the kind of movies that you want to do?
I enjoy both, yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm that one actor जो दोनों स्पेक्ट्रम को बहुत enjoy करती है. मुझे एक प्यार का पंचनामा की बाबू भी पसंद है, मुझे एक छोरी की साक्षी भी पसंद है. मतलब आई वॉन्ट टू प्ले द बोथ स्पेक्ट्रम्स. इफ यू टेल मी कल इस पिक्चर में आपके सिर्फ 3 गाने और 5 सीन है, मैं बोलूँगी वेरी नाइस. गाने कौन से हैं? ओ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, आई लव इट, मैं कर रही हूँ. मुझे पसंद आना चाहिए. क्योंकि मैं आई थिंक इन माई एंटायर करियर मैंने कभी ऐसे नहीं सोचा है कि यार इससे मेरा क्या होगा. आई डोंट नो, वो शायद वो थॉट आया नहीं है क्योंकि समय मुझे पता है कि हाँ मैं तो ठीक ठाक काम करके निकल ही जाऊंगी. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. इवन इफ माई पार्ट इज लेस, आई नो दैट आई विल स्टिल डू इट वेल और आई विल एंजॉय डूइंग इट एंड आई विल हैव फन डूइंग इट एंड दैट्स वेयर इट इज. मुझे कोई किसी को
But you're saying there's no strategy in the way you're choosing films कि मैं ये करूँगी then people will think of me like this.
Not at all.
Okay.
I can't do that. मैं कोई business या brand नहीं चला रही हूँ कि strategize करूँ guys.
Yeah.
No, I wish I had that acumen. I would have genuinely opened some business or some brand. No, there is no strategy. मुझे पसंद आना चाहिए. It should connect to me at a level as an actor, as a person. It should, if it's a comedy, it should entertain me. If it's a thriller, it should give me the thrills. If it's a horror, it should give me the chills. Simple. वो basic criteria है मेरा. अगर ड्रामा है तो then it really needs to make me be like कि आप पिक्चर लिख दी यार, आंसू आ गए. वो होना चाहिए. Whatever the film is intending to entice an audience, it should entice in me. Then I want to do your film.
Okay. What attracted you to Chori 2 in that case?
Chori 2 or 1?
1 and 2, you can say both.
2 तो obviously because sequel है part 1 का part 2. And part 1 did so well in terms of people accepted the message, they accepted the film, they liked the idea that हमने एक प्योर हॉरर फिल्म के थ्रू कुछ बोला है,
Hmm.
सिर्फ आपको डरा के घर नहीं भेजा है कि अच्छा भूत था, हमने उसको
Yeah.
डिफीट कर दिया, मार दिया और अब हम हैप्पी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. नहीं,
Yeah.
वी आर टेलिंग यू a lot more that is happening behind the scenes of what human beings are doing to human beings, and without us saying much, people got it.
Hmm.
People were actually having a conversation about it, people were actually talking about it,
Yeah.
which for us was a very big win.
Yeah.
I think इसीलिए part 2 भी जन्मा है और हमने journey ली है.
Yeah. Of course, Chori 2 deals with like discrimination on female, girl, child, all of that. Is there anything that you faced in your own life where you thought कि यार ये थोड़ा हो सकता है discrimination हो रहा है मेरे साथ because of my gender, or people are, you know, putting me in this position because of my gender?
All my life, मतलब sometimes I feel talking about it also seems slightly के इसके बारे में हम बात भी कर रहे हैं, ये तो है ही ना, मतलब
Yeah.
you know, but it's okay. It's for example, there are lots of times, and it's happened a lot of times where कुछ हो रहा है और उस मुद्दे पे मेरी opinion matter नहीं करती, या I'm not asked कि what do you think about it.
Yeah.
So when actually someone asks me what do you think about it, I genuinely take a pause. मैंने कहा, oh, I'm supposed to say something on this, I'm allowed to, or my opinion matters.
Yeah.
But are you hearing it just to hear it, or are you actually going to put it into like action or really actually consider it? तो वो भी सवाल है. आज बहुत सारे और मतलब ऐड किए जाते हैं to a girl, I guess, who's choosing to not get married and have her own life and earn her own living,
Yeah.
not have a man or not have a family life define her only existence, or say that अब आप settled हो,
Yeah.
अब आपने लाइफ में कुछ कर लिया, अब आप sorted हो, अब आप sorted हो. Just because I got married and had children, why can't I be sorted even if I'm staying in my house,
Yeah.
supporting my family, going to work every day, coming home and still being happy and content
Yeah.
and being okay? क्या problem है? Why can't I be sorted with that definition of a life?
Yeah. Yeah. And that comes sometimes mostly from like your own family also, right?
Correct.
Where people like अच्छा शादी की उम्र हो गई है, ये हो गई, ऐसा हो गया.
जी,
So
जी.
that also comes. So I want to know how difficult or easy was it for you to snap out of Sakshi's character?
Oh, very difficult. Part 1 though, I took a long time to kind of disconnect from it. I was not actually listening to other scripts, I wasn't doing meetings, I was just chilling at home,
Yeah.
doing everything I did as Nusrat every day normally, to kind of come out of that. Because Chori 1 में बहुत कुछ हुआ था यार. From being pregnant to being trapped to feeling deceived by your own husband and family. चलो husband को तो बाद में पता चलता है. To being stuck in this world of कि आपको hallucinations हो रहे हैं, बट आपको अपने बच्चे को प्रोटेक्ट करना है, फिर आपको जिंदा जला दिया जा रहा है, फिर कोई पेट काट रहा है, मतलब it was just too much.
Yeah.
But we did it. I went through it. We performed it. We had our moments of things that seemed very difficult to overcome, but we did. वो सब करते करते जब पैकअप हुआ ना, actually you don't even realize how much of a character in a film that stay with you, that get absorbed by you as a person. And actors honestly are very sensitive, and they are like sponges. Like if I'm sitting here and watching you, I'm absorbing how your eyes are moving, how you're nodding your head, how you're sitting, one leg
Okay.
cross, one leg down,
Okay.
how your hand is on a cushion and one hand is here.
Okay.
I'm noticing how you're looking at the cameraman
Yeah,
every
yeah.
time to correct your this thing. So I'm absorbing all this without even actually,
Yeah.
you know, trying. We're just auto-tuned like that.
Yeah.
या कि यहाँ आई हो रहा है, मुझे पता है अभी कौन अंदर आया है, कौन बोल रहा है, कौन निकलेगा, कि दरवाजा आधा खुला आधा बंद है.
Yeah.
So we are very perceptive to things around us, even when we're not trying. So imagine when I'm trying to be an actor and I'm taking on all that from an actor and what is happening in her life. तो बहुत वक्त लगता है to forget it and to come back to zero.
And
बहुत
then go back again for Chori 2.
And Jesus Christ. At least thank God there was a 4-year break. I was breathing. मैंने कहा 4 साल के बाद है, चलेगा.
Yeah. But जैसे Chori 1 was in like खेत,
Yes.
Chori 2 कहाँ पे shoot करिया?
Tunnels.
Okay.
Tunnels.
But
जो आप
that's scarier.
scarier. तो sir, it's Vishal sir, he's very good at this. In a horror which is trying to tell you something bigger, you got to make the audience feel it. जैसे आपको फील हुआ था कि साक्षी खेतों में खो गई है, क्योंकि वो भाग रही है लेफ्ट राइट यहाँ वहाँ, बट नहीं उसको ऑप्शन मिल रहा। तो आपको भी ऐसे हो रहा है कि 1 मिनट वहां जाके वहां घूम, ओ यहाँ भी बंद है, ओ गॉड कैसे निकलेगी, आपको वो subliminally इफेक्ट हो गया। In this one they have made tunnels where you feel claustrophobic, where you feel trapped. खेतों में एटलीस्ट ओपन स्काई था, you were breathing, तो you were not feeling suffocated, you were feeling lost, you were feeling helpless, but you were not suffocated. Here you will feel like सांस कैसे लूं।
Yeah, and these are real tunnels where you're shooting?
No, they made it.
Okay.
So we created sets of
Okay.
tunnels. In Bombay only, we had taken a location like a studio, and we'd made these multiple layer of sets and corridors where I was stuck for a month.
Are you scared of something in your life? Like, is Nusrat scared of something?
I'm scared of 2 things, and both those 2 things they made me do in Chori too.
Okay.
It's a talent Vishal sir possesses. Never mind. I'm scared of being in water. I'm scared of drowning because I can't swim.
But you're in a well.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Very scary.
And I said, sir, can you like do something about this?
Is that also an actual
No.
well, or is it a...
No, so they made a proper well
Okay.
with like proper water.
Okay.
Was on a set only, but वो बड़ा सा well बनाया था
हाँ,
उन्होंने,
हाँ.
और हमें अंदर जाना पड़ा. And there was a shot where I fall on the well and I'm unconscious, and I go धीरे I sink down.
Okay.
और कैमरा ऑल्सो गोज अंडर वाटर विथ मी.
Okay.
मैं 3 सेकंड से ज्यादा नहीं दे पा रही थी. मैं अंदर जाती, कैमरा आता उससे पहले लड़की आउट.
हाँ.
सो द डीओपी लाइक अरे ये फ्रेम आउट हो गई. मैंने कहा फ्रेम आउट नहीं सर, सांस लेने उठी हूँ मैं. मर थोड़ी जाऊँ मैं ये करते करते. व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विथ यू, हाउ कैन आई स्टॉप ब्रीथिंग.
Yeah.
So it was scary, but
Yeah.
of course we had to do it. And my second fear is to be trapped under a rubble. Like मान लो ये बिल्डिंग गिर गई,
हाँ.
तो उसके नीचे मैं फंसी हुई हूँ.
तो टनल गिर जाएगा छोरी टू में.
Exactly. नहीं गिरता नहीं है, बट
Okay.
टनल में वो सफोकेशन वाली
Yeah,
फीलिंग
got
है,
it,
तो
got it.
वो भी दे मेड मी लिव. ऐसे रुके ये भी कर लेते हैं.
Talk to me about working with Soha Ali Khan, because like this is also sort of her comeback
Yeah.
into the film. So
Yeah.
tell me about that.
Soha, I think, was absolutely an amazing opposite force, if you want to call it, even as human beings. Like in one of the interviews, Soha was saying that she's so happy with her life. She's so happy that there are other things she does in life, whether it's painting or
Yeah.
riding or
Yeah.
skating or anything, or studying or reading. That makes her so happy that it's not only doing films that is her entire life. She has other things that are also part of her being Soha.
Yeah.
And I found that so amazingly inspiring, which is so true. Today I'm too obsessed with this work of mine, but at the end of the day, do I want this to be the only thing that is my life and all of my life? No. I want to have other things that are also part of my life, that also make me me. Whether it's a husband, whether it's a child, whether it's cooking, whether it's skating, anything. Just something that also is an extension of who you are as a person.
Yeah.
Which Soha has. And she says that I don't do too much work because I don't like getting out of my house because I have my kid at home. It's so amazing. And she's very happy about that. And she's like, you can't get me out of the house. I want to spend time with Inaya. I was just like, I love it. I so love this
Yeah.
person that you are, that this life that you've lived so fully, you know. So it's amazing to have somebody like that on set because you're feeding off a different energy. She's coming from a very different world and entering into a very different world. So it's a little testing waters even for her. We are marrying into a different personality. So it's testing waters for us. Then I had some, like, no, I mean, opposite scenes, like she's like antagonist and protagonist. So we obviously have a clash happening there. It was a lot of fun. It was just a lot of fun.
And what is it like playing a mother on screen and of like a child? Did you have to like bond with her to make her feel?
No, of course we had to, but that तो you bond with any actor. मतलब
Yeah.
कोई भी कोई actor होगा,
Yeah.
आप कुछ तो bond होता ही है आपका. But it was a challenge, like a tall challenge for me because I don't know what it is to be a mother.
Yeah.
So to play that emotion on screen was honestly very terrifying for me because I didn't want to do injustice to it. I didn't want to fall short of it. I didn't want any mother watching it saying कि नहीं वो feeling नहीं आई. अगर ऐसा कोई होगा और बोल देगा तो भाई मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा अफेक्ट हो जाऊंगी कि मैंने नहीं सही किया, आई डिडंट गेट इट राइट. But I don't have an option. I can't become a mother. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I only have stories or women to talk to. But being a mother is such a, आप शब्दों में उसको ढाल भी नहीं सकते हो. So they won't be able to fully even tell me what it is to be a mother.
Yeah.
So I'll have to also rely on a lot of my imagination and a lot of my, things to put in it, which was tough for me. It was tough.
Yeah, Chhori 1 was a remake of Lapa Chhapi. Is Chhori 2 also a remake, or this like an original story that?
No, it's an original story.
Okay.
Lupa Chupi actually.
Yeah.
From the first Marathi film, ended at that place and note. They didn't make a part 2.
Yeah.
Then he made a Hindi version of it. And while we made this one, and it got the kind of feedback it got, it was Vishal sir who thought of an idea of what part 2 can be, like where can we take the story, because we truly believe that अगर हमारे पास एक organic lead नहीं है, naturally जो part 1 से part 2 जाए, तो हमें नहीं बनानी चाहिए. वो जबरदस्ती का बनाने का कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. हम कोई और पिक्चर बना सकते हैं, कुछ भी, it could be a different title altogether. पिक्चर ही तो है. तो we didn't do that. We had a very correct premise and a very correct next step, so we took it.
Okay, perfect. So I'm going to ask you now a Chhori code segment.
Chhori code?
Yeah, this like there's bro code, this is Chhori code, okay?
Nice.
So I'm going to ask you things
CC.
that Choris are giving, like situations, and you tell me what it is, okay? Things that people blame Choris for, but men do more.
Create a scene. Get obsessed about small things. Make meaning out of nothing at all. Men do it, dude. They make meaning out of absolutely nothing. And then they pretend to not, when you say, ऐसा तो था ही नहीं, चल, we don't believe you. ऐसा ही था. अब एक काम करो, फिर मेरी पूरी कहानी लिख दो और फिर जी भी खुद ही लो. नहीं, मतलब अगर मेरा मतलब ही तुमको मानना नहीं है, okay then.
Okay. Complete the sentence. छोरी है तो dash तो करेगी ही.
छोरी है तो dash तो करेगी ही. अरे यार, I want to say जिंदा तो रहेगी ही. That's a very छोरी है तो
कमाल तो करेगी.
छोटे वर्ड्स है. हाँ. Want something slightly more impactful. Okay. छोरी है तो अपना पक्ष रखेगी तो सही.
Okay.
I think that's slightly better.
Okay. Chhori is bond best over dash.
Bond.
Like bond.
Bond. Acha,
Yeah.
B-O-N-D.
Yeah.
Chhori is bond best over.
You can just talk about your
I'm talking
favorite
about me
choris
only.
also. Yeah.
Then for me, we bond best over films, bond best over stories, bond best over conversations, which are organic.
Okay.
सच्ची बातें.
Okay. What's something that every chori is tired of hearing? Like a stereotype that they're tired of.
I think the नखरे. I think I'm really done with it, guys. बहुत नखरे हैं तेरे. बेटा स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया अभी. रो देगा तू. अब तुझे रोता हुआ देख मैं तो नहीं जी सकती. इसलिए ये नखरे नहीं है, ये रियलिटी है. एक्सेप्ट कर ले.
Okay, complete the sentence. छोरी को डराया तो.
छोरी तो डराया तो वो पलट के डबल डराएगी.
Okay, and one unspoken rule that you want all choris to follow in life. Like an advice.
Stand united together. I think we women don't stand up for each other. We don't get united. We are happier अगर किसी और पे जोक क्रैक हो और हम साइड पे खड़े होके उस पे हंसे. क्यों? उस पे हंस रहे, कल तुम पे हंसेंगे. तुम पलट के उसके लिए भी बोलो ना कि ऐसे बात नहीं कर सकते तुम हमसे. We don't stand together united. That's the problem.
Okay, perfect. Looking forward to Chhori 2. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
giving
much.
us time. Can you tell everybody to subscribe to Z Switch?
Hi, I'm Nusrat Bharucha, and if you've liked this fun chat of these two choris over here, then please subscribe to Z Switch.